Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. In the tutorial you will learn how to create facade for Royal Arena. I think it would be interesting for this tutorial. Anyway, if you are first time to watching my video, and I invite you to subscribe my channel because I make video like this for a 5 week and will bring more content about Revit. So let's go around for our facade Royal Arena. I'm going to Google here. Type Google here first, and then this one I'm going to just type for Royal Arena here, like this one. Go to image. Okay, let's me select for Royal Arena here. Here is Royal Arena that we will create for our in our project in Revit. We will create for curtain wall system here, and of course for wood panel here, and cut wood panel here as well for this tutorial. Okay, so anyways, I won't guarantee the save, and for save will be 100% like Royal Arena, but it's just a quick tutorial for you get concept to create your own design or your own project. Anyway, let's go to our Revit again. Here I am in Autodesk Revit student version 2021. So I'm going to new here for model here, then new project here. I drop down for I prefer for metric architecture template, just like here, then press OK. Alright, now I'm in Autodesk Revit student version 2021. So I need to create grid line for GR on my keyboard for grid line. I start pop up from here one, and here one, and here one as well for vertical. So the spacing here I just want, okay, I'm going to use N for unit number, project unit, then this one and change to, let's say we change to meter here. It's okay, and hit OK again. Then I just want spacing. So a quick tutorial, we just make it 10 meter by 10 meter. It's easier for us. Then we need to go our sound here, elevation. I need to offset for height first. This one I change to let's say 8 meter, and rename for roof. This one tidy up a bit. Let's go to our level 1. I on my keyboard for create line, just like something like this one, because I want to find center line. Later on easier for me to array my column. Hit escape a couple times. Okay, so now we got our grid line and model line here. WA on my keyboard for wall. I'm starting for circle like this one. Start from center until here like this. And this one I'm change to roof. Hit escape a couple times. I'm going to architecture again. Loading my column, just like column here, or CL on my keyboard for column. Go to load family here. And then here is wood panel. As you cannot find, going back to my index here, then finding for structural column, and this one is wood, you can check here, and I prefer this one is timber square, just like this. You can choose any size you want because later on we will resize. I just load in, then in my property panel here I'm going to edit type here again. Then I'm going to duplicate here, just change it to, let me think, 0.6 by 0.3, something like this. It's okay. Then B here we change follow our family name 0.6, and here 0.3. Just hit OK. Then I start place like this one. Here is center. I think we place something, okay, something like this. Here escape a couple times. Then I just select my column here, this one. Okay, it's run properly from level 1 to roof. AR on my keyboard for array. Then this one for number I change to, I think 40 is enough. Then here need to go to center or rotation plus here, then start from our center, then start like this one. until here. Hit escape a couple times. And this one, of course, you can change for number of your wood panel here for column. So I just select like this one, then right click on my mouse, then go to select all instance, then use in instant project like this one, and ungroup all. Okay, so I want to draw mirror for draw another side here. The on my keyboard for draw mirror start from center here like this one. And of course I know there's two guy is overlap, so I just select here one, control key for multiple selection one, delete here. Go to my 3D view. Okay, so I don't want to see my level here, my elevation here. Go to property panel here, edit visibly graphic here, select here one. Then go to annotation, we drop down finding for level because we want to hide. Here is level, just untick here, then hit apply, then hit OK. Now my level is gone. Here is front view. Okay, as you can see, we got our panel here and we got our wall here, generic model wall here. So I want to change my generic model wall to curtain wall, just a curtain wall. Then go to edit type here, and this one for vertical line we need to change to fixed number. Okay, change to fixed distance. And this one I just give it the missing vertical, just give it 3 meter. And for horizontal we just change it to 0.3, I think something 0.3, sorry, 1.2. Then his, and then this one for vertical margin I just want change to, just do this one for example. Okay, so let me check my setting first. This one I think is correct, and this one I think is running properly. Okay, if you are first time to watching my video, you can check that link in description for all you need to know about curtain wall. If you want to know more about curtain wall in Revit, I got create my previous video. And here I just hit apply first. Okay, as you can see now, our curtain wall is not running properly, not circle one, and this one I just switch to 1.2, and this one change to 3 meter. I think is correct one. Okay, I think something like this is enough for me. Just a quick tutorial. Here we got our curtain wall here, and here is our panel. As you can see, got curtain wall here and panel. Okay, so it's time to cut our panel. How to cut that? You can use rules by extrusion is better. Go into level 1. By create use extrusion, we need to create reference plan first. You can press any plan you want, and of course you need to rename REF for reference. Go to 3D again, and we turn it to front. Architecture here, I'm going to architecture here, then drop down for roof. Use roof by extrusion like this one. And specification for new work plan, go to name here, then drop down finding for our reference plan here, just like you want, then press OK. And this one just like OK. So of course I can show my working plan, just like show here. Here is my working plan. Then I start draw like this one. Use this one for draw. I think just a quick tutorial. I'm not gonna we just create shape like this one. I think something like this, and something like this. Hit escape a couple times. Okay, so now we got shape our roof by extrusion like this. Just hit finish. and start from top here, and then here I trace something like this one. Okay, so now we got our roof and it's time to cut. By cut that, I just select one of my column here or wood panel, right click on my mouse, then drop down finding for select all instance in Intern projects here. Then this one is attend to top base to this one, and here you need to take for base, and this one you need to use for cut column, and here you don't need to change. So I just use this one, then select my roofs here like this one, and where we cut my wood panel. Now file is generating. Revit will show up the structural column is attend as non-structured tension. Anyway, this one is no issue because we want to cut our wood panel here. So I can delete this one. Go to front view, and there we go. So now we finished our wood panel here and our curtain wall here. Of course, you can play around with your wood panel for shape that you want to create and cutting, and your curtain wall here you can play around with your margin and vertical grid or horizontal grid. Anyway, it's pretty much for the tutorial. Okay, let me go to level 1 first for turn on camera here. This one change to 5. I start something like this one, start from front here like this. Play around like this. Okay, and turn on for realistic, and of course turn for shadow as well. Okay, here as you can see it's look quite similar, and I'm going to my 3D here, then this one turn on for realistic and turn on for shadow. Okay guys, so this one you can create floor here and for floor here for roof as well. Okay, let me create for you before we finish our tutorial. Go to floor here like this one, then start from rectangle or circle like this, start like until like I think something like this one, then just hit finish. Go to 3D, then go to copy to clipboard here, then align to select level to roof here. And of course here you can train for material. I think it's pretty much for this tutorial because we take quite long already for our tutorial. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe button below and turn on notification if you want to learn more about Revit, because I make video like this 4 or 5 a week and we'll bring more content about Revit. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I see you for the next episode, and you can leave comment below what you want to learn from us. Your likes and your subscriber is motivate me to do more video and bring more content about Revit. Okay, again, thank you for watching. I see you for another tutorial. Thank you.